renovating the old entry fountain area, and some of these mosaics have crosses down in the bottom here. And they just recently dug up all these mosaics here, and they're open and exposed. You can see many various designs, some that are in public spaces, also in church spaces. So very beautiful display, and hopefully this will be covered up eventually. So just beyond this wall over here is a grave site of probably the 3rd century, 4th century. Even these square things are in many churches. You can see the cross, red cross in the middle. And this design there, you just have many of them that have different designs. Going into the museum here, it said that there were chapels next to the theater. And I'm wondering if this, even though it's not, no, this is not facing east, it's facing actually directly north, if this was a little chapel along the side here as you enter the city. So very beautiful. So redoing all this area, where they reshaped the old walls and pillars and capitals, the entry step. So you can tell they're doing a lot of different work, a lot of workers here to make these things happen, and even chiseling new stones and new blocks to put into place.